Hey YouTubers, I'm back, and today I'm making Korean barbecue chicken. So I'm going to start off with a bag of Tyson's boneless skinless chicken strips. I'm going to layer it in here. Not even bothering to thaw it out. I'm going to throw some garlic powder. Lori's garlic powder. And Mrs. Dash. Trying to keep the sodium count down. More chicken. And the rest of the bag. And then I'm going to use this Korean BBQ hot and spicy chicken marinade. I'm going to pour the whole bottle in. And to get the little bit left that's on the inside, pour some chicken broth in that. I don't want any of this goodness to go to waste. Shake it up. And pour the rest in there. Now I'm going to cover it up. Make sure it's sealed. And press the chicken button. 25 minutes later, I should have some Korean barbecue chicken. See you soon. So the alarm just went off. Now time to release the I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, I have a small confession. This is actually my second time recording this video. The first time I had a friend doing it, but I felt extremely self-conscious about my body because you could see the whole thing. But I'm trying not to think about it because not only do you get to see me use my Pressure Cooker Pro, you get to watch me lose weight as well using my Pressure Cooker Pro. Still waiting for the steam. I find some light on it. Now you can see the steam. It smells incredible. Now that all the pressure's released, I should be able to open the lid and check that out. I don't know if you can see it because of all the steam, but the chicken looks amazing. I love dark meat. So I have my plate here on the scale. Now, if you want to make some rice, just make it in advance, throw it in, press the rice button, 6 minutes later you'll have rice. Have it on a scale so that, I could count my Weight Watchers points. Ooh. Now, half a cup of rice, 5 ounces of chicken, some broccoli. There you go, a gorgeous plate for under 10 points. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.